Hey, I'm the owner of the Lambo, the one you ran into. Thanks for leaving your number on the windshield.
Of course, buddy. I waited for half an hour, but you were nowhere to be found, so I just left a note.
Let's just get straight to business. These damages are gonna cost a pretty penny.
Oh, they sure are. I must have been going 50 an hour. Nearly flew out of my window. Had one too many, if you know what I mean.
I'm not sure I do.
Well, enough small talk. Here are my bank details. Send me 5 racks and we'll call it even.
Huh? You want me to send you money?
Duh? It's your car I ran into, wasn't it?
Yeah, that you ran into. So you're supposed to pay me.
Get out of here! You were clearly at fault.
My car was parked in a garage. You yourself said that you were going 50 an hour when the speed limit couldn't have been more than 10.
Holy yapaloni. Stop talking, bud, and pay up, or we're gonna have a problem here. 'Cause this baby ain't gonna fix itself. Vintage, by the way.
Alright, this is ridiculous. I'm contacting the cops. With your phone number, they can easily find you. And then it's gonna be your problem. I'm done being nice here.
Bring it on, big guy. I just got